Welcome to another episode of Puppet Storytime. This week we will be reading one of my favorite authors, Willems, and the book I chose is Leonardo the Terrible Monster. Let's jump right in. See you inside. Bye! Leonardo the Terrible Monster by my favorite author, Willems. Leonardo was a terrible monster. He couldn't scare anyone. He didn't have 1,642 teeth like Tony. By the way, not all of Tony's teeth are shown in case you're trying to count them. He wasn't big like Eleanor. Wow, Eleanor's so big, she doesn't even fit in the book. And he wasn't just plain weird like Hector. Leonardo tried very hard to be scary, but he just wasn't. One day, Leonardo had an idea. He would find the most scaredy-cat kid in the whole world and scare the tuna salad out of him. Leonardo researched until he found the perfect candidate, Sam. Leonardo snuck up on the poor, unsuspecting boy. And the monster gave it all he had. Groar! Bluggle wuggle! Ah! Until the little boy cried. Yes! Cheered Leonardo. I did it! I finally scared the tuna salad out of someone! No, you didn't, snapped Sam. Oh, yeah, replied Leonardo. Then why are you crying? Wow, look at all those words. Oh boy, I think I have to take a deep breath and I gotta say these loud because the words are big. That means I have to say them loud. Okay, here we go. My mean big brother stole my action figure right out of my hands while I was still playing with it, and then he broke it on purpose, and it was my favorite toy, and I tried to fix it, but I couldn't, so I got mad, and I kicked the table, and I stubbed my toe in the same foot that I hurt last month when I accidentally slipped in the bathtub after I got soap in my eyes trying to wash out the bird poo that my brother's cockatoo pooped on my head, and I don't have any friends, and my tummy hurts. That's why. Then Leonardo made a very big decision. Instead of being a terrible monster, he would become a wonderful friend. It's okay, he said. Aw, there he is with Sam. They're holding hands. It looks like they're becoming friends. But that didn't mean he couldn't try to scare his friend every now and then. Boo! Oh, did I scare ya? The end. Thanks for reading with me, kids. Yeah, I really think that Leonardo is my hero. Because he made a big decision. He decided to become a wonderful friend. And that is a big decision to make for someone who's thought of themselves as a monster their whole life. They are seeing themselves as a friend instead of as a monster. That is a big decision. Mom, can you find that page again? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Leonardo made a very big decision. Wow, look at him. He looks like he's deciding something big, doesn't he? And the other thing I want to show you, Mom, can you go to the page before that? I think this page really helped him make that decision because, oh, thanks, Mom. Yeah, get a little closer. Not me, the book. Oh, I guess I can't. Oh, sorry. Okay, Sam is crying, and then Leonardo sees that he's crying. Leonardo sees that he hurt Sam's feelings, and he doesn't want to hurt Sam's feelings. He only wanted to scare him. He didn't think he was going to cry. And then I think Leonardo felt bad about making Sam cry. And that's what made him make that big decision to become a friend instead of a monster. There's really no bigger decision someone could make in their life. So that's why Leonardo is my hero. I love you, Leonardo. So you know what? It's time for our song. And this week, we are going to do it very simply. It's just going to be me singing. Yes, and I'm going to sing Happy Birthday. You know why I'm going to sing Happy Birthday, even if it isn't your birthday today? Because I think that every day is a new beginning. It's like every day is your birthday. It's a new start, a new you. You can always choose to be something else. If you're a monster, you can choose to be a friend. All right, let me sing Happy Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to whoever is watching. And just remember, you can always choose again. On that note, I'm going to say goodbye. I love you, and stay you, the awesome you that you are. Bye. Love you. Bye. Why am I crooked, Mom? I don't know. Are you? I think you look all right. There. How's that? Is my body straight? There. Am I straight? Yeah, I think so. I think you're good.